Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to create this beautiful Valentine Day card design in MS Word using simple shortcut keys. Okay, so I request everyone to watch this video from first to the end. So without wasting any further time, let's begin with our video. If you have not subscribed to me, do subscribe my channel to watch such interesting videos in future. So without wasting any further time, let's begin with our video. Press Ctrl N for a new page. So this is a new page. So go in layout, under size, select the size of the paper to A5. Okay, so this is the size of the paper. Now go in home tab, come under insert tab, click on shapes, and under basic shape click on heart. Okay, so draw the heart shape over here. Okay, after drawing the heart shape, go in shape effects of the shape. Under preset, select the preset to 9. Preset number 9. Come in shape effects again, go in bevel and select angle. Go in shape effect, 3D rotation, and under perspective, select perspective to front. Okay, done. Now shape outline, set it to red, and the weight of this outline should be 6 point. Okay, done. And under shape fill, select no fill, means no color to this object. Okay, so this much settings you need to do. Now enlargen this heart in such a way that this top part of this heart, I hope you all are understanding what I am trying to say. This top part of this heart goes outside the page and this V part remains inside the page. Okay, so I'll bring this V part touching to this page. Okay, over here in middle. Okay, done. And I'll take this top part outside the page. I don't want this top part. Okay, done. This type of V shape you need to bring on your page. Okay, go in insert tab, go in shape. Under basic shape, select right angle triangle and draw the angle over here. Okay, after drawing the angle, come in the format tab of the shape and click on send backward. Okay, so behind this object, select the shape fill, color of the shape to red color and shape outline to red color. Okay, now go in insert tab again, go in shapes and select the right angle triangle again and draw the shape over here. Okay, after drawing the shape, under format tab of the shape, come under rotate over here and click on flip horizontal and click on send backward. Shape fill color to red color and shape outline to red color and adjust it. Just place it in this way, increase the size a bit. Okay, done. I've created two streaks using my fingers on Snapchat, so that streaks I'll place it over here. Okay, first streak, remove the background. I'll remove the background of the streak. Some areas are marked unnecessarily. Here you can see, I'll just mark it. Okay, done. So I mark on keep changes. Now first of all, click on this and click on in front of text. Okay, decrease the size now and place it over here. Okay, done. I'll increase a bit size so it is visible properly. Okay, done. Now go in insert pictures and select the second streak. If you want to know how I created the streaks, you can comment me in the comment section. I'll upload a separate video on the streaks idea. Okay, okay, done. So I'll mark on keep changes and here you can see my streak is ready. I'll decrease the size first and here I'll keep on in front of text and I'll place it over here. Okay, I'll increase a bit size. So here you can see my full background down part is ready. Now go in design tab, come over here on page color, click on page color and here you can see fill effects. Click on fill effects, come under picture, under fill effects come under picture and click over here select picture. Okay, if you have saved the background, you can click on from file and just browse it. And if you have not saved, if you want to search for the background, here you can click on search and you can search for the background, whichever type of background you want. I have saved the background, so I'll just bring the background over here. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, here you can see my background is set. Okay, now one more thing I need to do over here is give the whole page a border of heart. Here you can see this type of hearts I need to give for the whole page border. So we'll do that. Go in insert tab, go in shapes and click on text box and just draw the text box over here. Okay, click on shape fill and no fill and shape outline to no outline. Okay, so to create that type of heart, we'll use the symbol shortcut key. That is shortcut key of this heart is 1F394. So type it. I'll increase the size of the text first so it is visible for everyone. Okay, to 14 size and type 1F394 all text on your keyboard. Here you can see I've created a black color heart using the shortcut key. Okay, so select this heart, go in home tab, set the color of the shape to red color and shape outline. Here you can see text and effects under shape outline, set it to red color. Now after creating this symbol, click on this symbol and just rotate it a bit and place it over here. Using the arrow keys on your keyboard, you can adjust it front or back. Select the symbol and press Ctrl D on your keyboard and it will duplicate the shape and place it on the whole page. Okay. We'll rotate this and keep it straight because it is in the middle of the heart. Okay. Using the arrow keys on your keyboard, you can adjust it. Press Ctrl D, duplicate it. Okay. Bring it on top and just rotate it for this side. Okay. And place it. Okay, press Ctrl D, duplicate and place for the whole page. Just rotate it and keep it straight because we are end of this line. So whenever you reach end, just rotate it and keep it straight. Then put the design in a straight line. Okay. So select this shape again and press Ctrl D, duplicate and place it over here. Duplicate the shape and bring it over here. This side on my left side and we'll place these hearts over here. Okay, rotate it, keep it straight. Press Ctrl D and put the border for the whole line. Okay, done. So click on Ctrl D, duplicate. Okay, just rotate it in this way and just place it over here on top. Okay, in this way. Press Ctrl D, duplicate and place it in the whole line. Okay, so our whole hearts are placed for the whole page as a border. Here you can see my whole page is designed with the border of the hearts. Okay, so this is the overall view of this page. Now here in the middle we'll put a heavy heart, that is 3D heart, using the shortcut keys. Okay, so go in insert tab, go in shapes and click on the text box again and draw the text box over here, a big text box. Okay, not a small text box. Draw the text box. Okay, after drawing the text box, just increase the height, click on shape fill and no fill, shape outline to no outline. Okay, go in the home tab, inside the text box, select Ctrl A, select it and set the font size to 350 point. Okay, and type the code, that is 2764. Okay, here you can't see because the space of this text box is small, so I am telling you all 2764 is the code, and press all text on your keyboard. Okay, so this is at 3D heart. The code is 2764 and all text on your keyboard. Okay, go in insert tab and here we'll insert a couple image. Go in insert tab, go in pictures and couple image. Okay, click on this and click on in front of text. Okay, so this is a couple image. Click on remove background. Here you can see unnecessarily some things are marked. I'll just mark the things that we want over here. Okay, and mark on keep changes. Okay, done. Increase the size a bit of this image and bring it down. Okay, go in insert tab, go in shapes and click on the text box again. Draw the text box over here on top. Okay, click on shape fill, no fill and shape outline to no outline. Come in the home tab, Control A, select inside the text box, set the font size to 30 point. Okay, with font to Algerian. Okay, done. This much things you need to do, and you can underline if you want. Okay, and type Happy Valentine Day. Happy Valentine Day. Okay, Control is selected, keep it in middle over here under paragraph in middle, select it, go in the format tab of the shape over here, word art style, click on it and click on this. Go in the home tab again and over here font color, click on the font color and select the yellow color. Okay, done. This much setting you need to do and place it in middle. Go in insert tab, go in shape and select the text box once again. Draw the text box over here over the couple. Okay, go in the format tab of the shape, click on shape fill to no fill, shape outline to no outline. Here you can give any message you want to give for your partner. I'll write here for example, will you be my Valentine? Okay, Control A selected, go in the home tab, increase the font size to 30 point. Okay, set it in middle with font to Algerian. Go in the format tab of the shape and over here word art style, click on it and click on fill gold and outline to orange. Okay, done. If you want you can increase the size a bit more. For me this much is okay, I feel, and my whole card design is ready. Or if you did not understand anything, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll clear all your doubts. Okay, if you want to learn about this type of tricks, how I created this, you can comment me in the comment section. I'll put a separate video on this trick idea. Okay, if you like my Valentine card, do like, share and subscribe my channel to watch such interesting videos on my channel in future. Okay, till then, thank you, have a good day and have a happy Valentine Day. Thank you.